Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about export Firefox password, Firefox saved passwords part 1. If you want to import your Firefox saved passwords, if you want to import your Firefox saved passwords, your Firefox saved passwords into another web browser, or simply save a backup copy, or simply save a backup copy of them. This is easy to do. This is easy to do. While on your saved password page, on your saved passwords page, select the three dots on the top right and choose export logins. On the top right and choose export logins. You will see an import that you will see a prompt that your login details will be in a readable. Your login details will be in a readable format. This is something to keep in mind. This is something to keep in mind depending on what you plan to do with the file, to continue, select export. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.